Hollywood movies may have us believe that sharks or giant apes are the most terrifying animals. But the reality is quite different. The most dangerous animals in the world are far deadlier than they appear. Today, we're uncovering the top 10 animals that pose the greatest threat to humans. At the top of the list is a creature without massive teeth or powerful claws, yet it threatens thousands of lives with just a tiny bite. Ready to dive in? Let's begin! Here are the top 10 most dangerous animals in the world. 10 lions. While lions mainly hunt animals like deer, antelope, rhinoceroses, elephants, and boars, they are responsible for 200 human deaths annually. 9 hippopotamuses. Also known as hippos, these herbivores cause 500 human deaths every year. 8 elephants. Although they're often seen in captivity, such as in zoos or circuses, elephants cause the deaths of 600 humans annually. 7 crocodiles. Crocodile attacks in real life are no less terrifying than in horror movies. These predators kill about 1,000 people each year. 6 scorpions. Members of the arachnid family, scorpions are venomous creatures responsible for 3,300 human deaths annually. 5 kissing bugs. These bugs, which feed on the blood of other insects and sometimes humans, spread a tropical disease called Chagas. As a result, they cause the deaths of 10,000 people every year. 4 rabid animals. Animals that carry rabies spread this fatal disease, particularly in rural areas, leading to 59,000 human deaths each year. Vaccinating animals can prevent these tragedies. 3 snakes. Snakes, with their often deadly bites, are responsible for 138,000 deaths annually. 2 humans through homicides. Homicides alone account for around 400,000 deaths every year, making humans the second most dangerous species. 1 mosquitoes. Mosquitoes, carriers of diseases like malaria, dengue fever, and Zika virus, are the deadliest animals in the world. These tiny creatures cause an astonishing 725,000 human deaths annually through their bites. Today, we learn about the world's most dangerous animals. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.